Today I'm going to try something a little bit different. I'm going to steam some spinach. So I have a 16-ounce bag of cooking spinach, about a cup of water, my InstantPot, and a steaming basket. This one is silicone. I got it several years ago, but if I can find it, I will link it in the description box below. It's really nice because it seals nicely around the edges. I think if you've got a metal one, it'll work just as well, but I really prefer this one. So I'm just making sure it's set in there well. I'm going to take my 1 cup of water and go ahead and just pour it in. The 1 cup of water, or however much water you put in there, you just don't want it to touch your spinach when you get it all in the basket. So that is my next bit is really the fun part, which is getting all 16 ounces into the Instant Pot. And it does work. You just have to kind of give it a little push, and you have to kind of massage it in there, pull in all the stems. But that's the whole bag. All except for those 2 pieces that fell on the counter, which I just threw away. So now just secure your lid. Let it make the little noise. Make sure your valve is turned to hold in the pressure, or the pressure, and turn it to 3 minutes, and then just wait. Let your Instant Pot do its thing, and then we'll be back. You'll want to do just an instant release of pressure. There's just something very satisfying about that. I don't know what it is, I don't know. Alright, here's the reveal. Look at all that spinach. There was a lot more in there before. I don't think it disappeared. It looks like it disappeared. It just all shrank. So that is the done deal. Now just take out your steaming basket, and there's all those liquids. I will show you something to do with the liquid, and you're just going to create more. So because this is a silicone basket, everything just really falls right out. Just grabbed a towel, an old towel, because it will definitely kind of stain it green, and just keep twisting it and twist out all the rest of the liquid that is in that spinach, because spinach is a ton of water. So you'll have to, I probably did it for 2 or 3 minutes total. So here is my dried spinach, quote unquote dry. It was super wet before, but now I've squeezed it, so it's much drier and great to use in recipes or in smoothies. I'm going to use it in a quiche recipe, which I will link. I will put it on my blog, and I will link it below. But you do you, and you use it however you wish to. Now, what to do with all this nutrient-rich water? Albeit gross looking, it's actually just chock full of nutrients. I am going to take it and water some plants with it. You could put it in ice cube tray and make little ice cubes out of it and throw it in your smoothies. If you're somebody who makes smoothies, you could also save it, and later on tonight I could have used it along with just some other water to boil some pasta. It is full of nutrients, so find some way to use it. Well, thanks for stopping by today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment below, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.